again, it's Harry here, your geriatric nurse of Toronto, Canada, back for my humble contribution for the care for the older adults and their caregivers. Have you ever responded to a code white?
Welcome to Harry's Geriatric Nursing Insights, where we explore the heart of elderly care. Join us for stories, practical tips, and celebrate our dear elders and their caregivers.
It's a code that we use when someone is exhibiting violent behaviors, making themselves a risk to themselves and others. In consideration of geriatric care, I think that this is one of the routine practices that we could enhance when we respond to the older adults, because more often than not, when a code white is called for an older adult, it can highly mean that they are in active delirium. And although not all of them may remember what happened, some of them do remember them. And overall, this becomes part of their care experience. So when you match what you're doing with caring words like, we care for you, I'm sorry that we have to do this, but you're a little confused right now and you need our help. Things like this. And these caring, reassuring words can go a long way. And especially when the person looks back, it may help mitigate their confusion. Because knowing that people care for them. Because can you imagine if you are actively confused, don't know where you are, and people suddenly come at you? So these reassuring words can help reorient and reassure them. So make sure if you are a caregiver, a professional, a security guard responding to code whites, make sure that you enhance these moments and turn them into therapeutic moments, so that ultimately the older adult will have a good healthcare experience under your time. Take care and see you next time.